Hello friends, welcome back to the iSendShare channel. Today we will learn how to recover lost or forgotten email password from Microsoft Outlook. iSendShare Outlook Email Password Genius is the reliable Outlook email password recovery tool, which can recover lost or forgotten used email accounts and passwords from Microsoft Outlook. Now download and install the software on your computer. After that, open the software and it will detect all used email accounts and passwords stored in Microsoft Outlook. You can click the Save button to store it in a TXT file. Of course, the free version can only see the first 3 characters of the password. You can get the full version to see all. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.